Oh, is it pull and drag?
Yep.
I let her pull it. Just let her pull it. Let her run. Don't lose it. Don't lose it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Let him go. Oh! Alright guys, out here. Now look, this is generally a spot where people would usually kayak launch from over there, but the south wind blew all the water out. Make my way over here. Hermit crabs, bait everywhere, man. Hold up. Bruh. Oh no, dude. What the hell? Oh wow. Alright. He was on. Yeah, definitely a ladyfish. Ooh, ooh. Oh my God, bro. Okay, our first Texas fish. Ow, hold up. I don't know if many of you know, but these fish, which I am familiar with down in Louisiana, they're a cousin to a tarpon. Ladyfish. Alright. Oh, it sucks I couldn't get my kayak in here. Yo, dude, that would have been so unfair.
A few moments later.
Oh, y'all thought it was a game, huh? What I look like coming to Texas with a kayak with excuses. Nah, baby, we don't roll like that. Alright guys, so look, right when I got the kayak in the water, the bite, the top water explosions, all of that activity just simply died. So I was in a position to where I basically kind of sort of brought the kayak out for nothing. The tide was falling, the south wind kept pushing, and it came to a point to where I had to take the kayak and basically walk it like a dog on a leash. But I was able to get something. Hooked up. Finally. Oh, that's a red. So, fish I'm real familiar with in Louisiana, obviously. Hold on, make sure my boat ain't. Okay. Alright, so, second fish of the trip. Bro, you know, y'all know what that guy is. Real familiar with this fish. Back home, man. Yo, it's been a hard couple of days, man. It's been tough. The tide is continuing to drop. Yeah, I looked up with this, and the sun is setting. So I'm about to pack up and get out of here. Tomorrow's the last day, but get a close up of that fish. Beautiful fish, man. Texas redfish. So I caught a red in Texas. That's what's up. All right, my buddy. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for the bite and thank you for the fight. Woo!
Are you ready? I'm ready.
So when the fishing is bad, it's all good. You come out here, you join the festivities. You ready to ride that Ferris wheel? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Whoa. You having fun? They're quicker than I remember. Really? Oh my goodness. Oh. Even though the weather was rough for most of the time we were there, it was still an absolute blessing meeting these guys, meeting new friends, getting out in a new area, experiencing new things. And I couldn't just be more thankful regardless of the weather and how everything turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, one love, God bless, and until the next one.